Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the 16th video of the game. So today I was going to show you the website that I've made. So I'm not planning to put this game on Play Store or something like that. You'll be able to download it from my own website. So I'll quickly open the website and show you. So right now the website doesn't work for everyone, it works only for me. Because if you take a look at the link basically refers to folders of my own computer. So you all can't access it right as of now. But when the game is ready, I will make it available for everyone. It'll be something like .com, something like that. So everyone can access it. And over here you can see the videos that I've made in the past. So as of now, I've posted the same videos on YouTube and Instagram. So you can watch it over here as well, but only the YouTube ones. The Instagram videos I'm not planning to put right here. And I may also put some other videos on my YouTube and Instagram that are not related to the game. So I won't put them on the website for the game right here. That's it. The rest of the website is very basic, very blank. Actually, I have to fill them up a little bit. And right here, you can watch some of the game screenshots right now, but these are all temporary. I'll replace them. And from here, you can download the game. If I click here, it actually downloads it like you would think, even though it shows that it could be harmful because this website is not trusted right now. But that will change. It'll not remain like this. So you can see it in your folder once you have downloaded. So I'll quickly show you how you can open it once you have downloaded. Just go to your downloads folder and you will find it. And it is an application file, it's not a Python file anymore. So if I open this, it will open just like you would think, and it will open on any Windows computer right now. You don't have to install Python and stuff like that. It is simple, and you don't even have to install it or stuff like that. You can simply double click it and it opens. And if you want to delete this game, then simply delete it from the folder. That's it. No installation and no uninstallation required. And over here, I provide some basic information about the game. And right here, this image is old and I have to change that. But nothing much. Other than that, this is somewhat final. And that's it. The buttons at the top actually work. So if I click on this home, it will take me all the way up. Nothing much. And these YouTube and Instagram buttons would take me to my YouTube and Instagram accounts. Nothing like straightforward. Very straightforward. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, I'll show you shadows. And after that, I will finally show you some detail, some 3D variation in the game. So right now the game is really flat. The terrain is really flat. But we are going to make terrain generation and model loading after this, after shadows. So stay tuned for all of that. And I have not actually made shadows in the past. So it's going to be the first time I'm making it. So it may be a little difficult and I may need to make some changes later on. But the reason I'm making shadows right now and not later on after model loading and stuff like that is because shadows will most probably make me change the model loader a bit to keep support for shadows. And last time I made models and then I couldn't get shadows to work because I had made the model loader before. So I don't want to do the same mistake again. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have interest in this type of content, then do consider following me. And if you know someone who has interest in this type of content, then do recommend my account to that person. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.